is Rubeena. I want to become a doctor.
My name is Ayush. I want to be a painter.
My name is Ritik. I want to become soldier.
My name is Shantanu. I want to become a pilot.
My name is Prashant. I want to become a soldier.
Dreams. Big dreams. Small dreams. Each of us needs to find our dream. Mumbai is a city where many find their dreams. It's a city of dreams. The food, culture, music, cinema, one of its kind, attract people to Mumbai. Mumbai is a city of unity and diversity. People from different communities come together to celebrate festivities irrespective of their faith. Mumbai is a magnet for migrants. Migrants are perhaps the most faceless, voiceless, and invisible group in Mumbai's 22 million urban population. The Urban Community Development Centre, in short UCDC, is a project of the Society for Community Development in India. This NGO has been at the service of the urban community since 1971 and has its office in Bandra West, Mumbai. UCDC vision reads, "Impelled by God's love, reaching out to the migrants and the marginalized in and around the city."
I'm working as a supervisor and I'm taking care of the children, and I'm very happy to work at the UCDC because I'm thinking it is like a pond of flowers, full of flowers, and I'm seeing the children growing up very well and studying also.
Dreams just don't happen by themselves. Something somehow has to fall in place. UCDC is one such happening where many things fall in place. It commits to improve the quality of life of the poor and the migrants living on the periphery. Between insecurity and hope, UCDC tries to build bridges to new beginnings.
I learned so many things here. When I came here, I knew only ABCD, and now, as you can see and hear, I'm very confident. I was very shy. I'm confident now. I'm speaking in English. Sure, I'm making mistakes, but I'm still learning about that.
UCDC creates self-identity and dignity to the migrants through
When I have joined UCDC, I don't know anything at all. But now, today, now you can see me. I can speak little bit because of UCDC. So here in UCDC, I have learned how to read, how to speak, how to write. So experience in UCDC is absolutely fabulous.
Hi, my name is Karan Shinde and I have a good experience with UCDC. I have always been here for my dental clinic checkup, and this I think so last from 2-3 years I have been coming over here. I'm getting a good treatment.
I've been coming to UCDC for the last decade or so, and I find the treatment is good and cost effective.
UCDC gives a chance to an invisible nobody to become a known somebody.
I'm very glad to keep my son over here because every day when he comes home, he teaches us something very new which even we don't know. And here he's got to learn very different things. And for an average parent, this is the best place where you can keep your child, where he can learn something. And here they provide you many facilities. So for us, it is very good place to keep our son, and I'm very happy to keep my son in UCDC.
It is extremely fortunate to have voluntary assistance from those who like to help.
So since 6 years I'm here, Initially, I didn't know what I will gain from here, but I have gained a lot. I love seeing children. I love seeing migrants. I love talking to people. I love in the morning, getting up in the morning, getting ready and coming here in time. And I meet so many people here, talk to so many people. It gives me a great opportunity and satisfaction in my heart. I will continue doing this till the end of my life.
The smiling faces of the children, the parents of all the domestic workers, and them, they are very happy in this environment. So seeing all of this makes me very happy.
Why I like to come here is one thing is that I am a retired person. Second is that it gives me some pleasure that I do something which will ultimately help the underprivileged people.
Most of them do not know how to read or write, and it's a pleasure to teach them and find that they have learned something that has helped them in their life to become good citizens.
Putting the last first. Not once, but again and again and again. For the migrants, the poor, and those on the margins, UCDC is a dream come true for a better tomorrow.
मेरा नाम प्रेम शिला किरकेट्टा है। मैं यूसीडीसी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा सुविधा है और बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से सीखते हैं और हम फ्री हैं क्योंकि बच्चे लोग को छोड़ के हम काम पे जाते हैं और हमें कुछ टेंशन नहीं रहता है।
मेरा नाम है प्रियंका। मेरा बच्चे लोग पहले घर पे रहते थे, उसके लिए मैं कुछ काम नहीं करती थी। अभी यूसीडीसी में रखी हूँ ना, जब से मैं काम कर रही हूँ और मेरा बच्चे लोग इधर अच्छे रहते हैं और मेरा बच्चे लोग इधर खुश रहते हैं। इसके लिए यूसीडीसी को धन्यवाद करती हूँ।
यूसीडीसी का मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि उनके वजह से मैं उसको यहाँ पे छोड़ के अच्छे से काम कर पाती हूँ और प्लस मेरा बच्चा इधर रहता है तो मुझे किसी भी चीज़ का टेंशन नहीं होता है कि वो कैसा है क्या है, क्योंकि वो बचपन से लेकर अभी वो 7 साल का हुआ है, वो इधर ही है। अपना यूसीडीसी मेरे जीवन में बहुत मायने करती है क्योंकि उसके वजह से मैं मेरा पेट पाल रही हूँ, मेरे बच्चे का भविष्य के लिए कुछ कर पा रही हूँ। यूसीडीसी से बहुत खुश हूँ और भगवान करे हमेशा हमारे साथ यूसीडीसी ऐसे ही रहे।